So today's video will feature 7+ haircut ideas that you can try in 2022. The first one features this gorgeous classic black pixie. Absolutely love this haircut, her eyebrows. And then the second one features more of the shaven short pixie. And then here we have this gorgeous undercut with a side design, as well as this platinum blonde pixie undercut. Alright, so most of the hairstyles in this video will be from this hairstylist. He does absolutely amazing cuts. And the first one is going to be of this gorgeous pixie. So with this one, she is keeping her hair its natural hair color, and he is just simply cutting and styling her hair. So there he is adding some product to just kind of finish off the look. And you can see she has a gorgeous classic pixie haircut. And there's just another look at that haircut. And then moving on to the next hair transformation. This one he is going to be doing a bob. So she starts off with kind of like shoulder length, a little bit longer than shoulder length hair. And then he gradually cuts her hair into more of a chin length bob. So she does have darker roots and a blonde end. Absolutely love this bob cut. It's simple, sophisticated, and perfect in any season that you want to wear it in. So moving on to our next transformation, this one is going to feature a gorgeous pixie. Now she pretty much already has a bit of a pixie haircut, which is in between a bob and a pixie, and he is just taking the hair and cutting it even shorter. So there he is, trimming the nape of the hair. And she does have a bit more bangs with this variation than she did before. Loving the messiness of the bangs. So the next haircut will feature one of the trends that we are seeing quite often this season, and that is the pop of color. This is pretty much a peekaboo color variation that she has that is around platinum or grayish hue. Loving the nice mix that it has against the brown. I think that this is very pretty. I will have a whole video coming up solely focused on the platinum blonde trend. So if you are interested in that, definitely stay tuned. Loving the peekaboo option for hair coloring. Alright, so next up we have this gorgeous curly head woman, and she is going to be she's going to be getting a curly, shaggy bob haircut. I think that this is such a fun hairstyle. Very cute. I think that curly shags are just everything. Alright, so next up we see another haircut transformation. She's gonna also be getting bangs with this one. And she's also getting a bit of color, and she is able to get this gorgeous shag. Now, I would also consider this a curly shag, but the curls are a little bit looser. So if you have more of a straighter texture, then I think that this look would work for you. And then moving on to our last haircut, this one is going to be of a bob. She's going from this super long, over-dyed, over-bleached hair to a more healthy neck length bob. So you can tell that her hair already looks much healthier with him cutting it. All those dead ends are gone. And then he ends up sleeking her hair back, which is also trending for spring 2022. Definitely loving this slicked back bob haircut. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed checking out these 7 hot haircut ideas with me. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.